Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Hold on. It's your boy Terrence Carter, and I am here, back at it again with another video for y'all. And as y'all can see, we got us a mic now for the channel. So, today's video, I have a lot that I do want to talk to you guys about, especially, of course, when it comes down to retention. I did create a SR ebook, you know what I'm saying, for the community. I created it yesterday, so I'm definitely proud of myself for that. And also, too, we're going to, of course, talk about trading and investing. All right. So today's video is going to be packed with a lot of good information. I do want to say thank you to anybody that's been supporting the channel, all the new supporters, all the returning supporters. Shout out to everybody in the SR community, no fab community. You know what I'm saying? Real talk. Now, I am happy, bro, that we got a mic for the channel too. I hope you guys I hope the audio is much better for y'all. And yeah, if you're new to the channel and you would like to subscribe to the channel, you can. That would definitely mean a lot to me. You know what I'm saying? And if you guys want to check out my website with both of my ebooks posted, yeah, definitely can. All right. Now, first things first, bro. First things first. All right. This is a very, very long-term journey. All right. Being on retention, going through your spiritual awakening, you know, learning how to master your sexual energy, learning how to cultivate your essence within and challenge yourself, you know? Now, what I mean by challenge yourself, I mean learning how to stay committed to something that is going to bring you long-term benefits. You know? Learning how to stay true to something that's beneficial for you. Now, some people may not think that semen retention is beneficial. Some people may honestly continue to doubt being on retention and just think like they don't need it. You know, they don't need to learn how to retain. They don't need to learn how to master their own sexual energy. They just feel like it's not beneficial. It has no purpose. And for those people, I want you to do, because this is what we all have to do. All of us on this planet, point blank period, all of us. We have to continuously do the inner work, because there's a reason like why you feel internally like you don't have that control over yourself enough to cultivate your energy. There's an internal feeling, but you have to get that negative like energy, like get that away from you. You feel me? Because we all have the ability to control our energy. All right? Being on retention is going to naturally heal you. And I really mean that. It may not happen in day 2, day 3, day 5, right? But it'll happen throughout the journey. This is a long-term journey. And yeah, bro, I ain't gonna front to y'all. You will fall down a couple times. Not gonna front. Especially in the beginning stages of breaking the addiction, you know? Especially in the beginning stages of breaking a habit. And like, ask yourself, all right, bruh, I bet, like, bruh, I am consciously making the decision to no longer watch PMO. What am I about to do with this energy? This is why you gotta, like, on this journey, you gotta get to know yourself. You got to get to know what you truly like. What do you truly enjoy? You know? What do you want to do with your life? Like, who's the person that you want to become? You know what I'm saying? This is how you're going to teach yourself as a man, just as a person on this planet, like, point blank period. Because women, y'all can stop watching PMO too and learn how to cultivate your energy as well. This is how you're going to teach yourself how to be Discipline. Literally. Discipline goes a very, very long way, bro. And you can't look at discipline as something that's negative or something that you don't need. Yes, you do. We all need it, bro. I remind myself, I need to be more disciplined. You feel me? I'm going to keep it 1,000 with y'all. You know? And this journey overall, bro, it just shifts your mindset. So once again, if you feel like you don't need retention, yes, you do. All right. Now, how does that correlate into, trading and investing? And I continuously tell it, and I'm talking too fast. My apologies, y'all. I continuously tell y'all, and I continuously tell myself, there is no quitting. There is no giving up, because there's a super duper bigger picture on this journey. All right. There's a super duper vision, right? There's a powerful vision that you see for yourself that you want to bring to life. And you have to stay the course on this journey. You have to stay true to it, no matter what. Okay? Because every day is going to help you see opportunity. Whether it's the stock market, whether it's Forex trading, this is opportunity for everybody to grow and see things differently, bro. Okay? Outside of the norm. What is the norm? The norm is you literally just think, and you programming yourself to think that you are only just your check. I don't care how much you get paid, bro. You could get paid good money. You can get paid decent money, whatever. That's you. It has nothing to do with me, right? That's your life. What I tell you how to do though is buy assets, because you have some people that get paid $100,000 a year, but it's still check to check, right? So now it's a consumer problem. We gotta think about that, right? So another reason why I tell y'all, purchase assets, own stocks, own real estate, buy you some ETFs, things like that. Learn this stuff is because it's thinking outside of the box, thinking outside of the norm. All right? Now, honestly speaking, I just wanted to stand up right quick and speak to y'all. But honestly speaking, bro, even right now, right, in these times, right, we have to learn how to teach ourselves this skill. We have to learn how to teach ourselves the skill of asset ownership. My apologies, y'all. Trying to fix the camera. My bad. But we have to learn we have to cultivate this skill every day of asset ownership. Because even when I deeply think about it, I'm like, I bet. Even 20 an hour, 25 an hour. Good, right? It's cool. But it's not enough. It's not enough. We all have bills to pay. We all have things we got to take care of, right? We got to make sure we feed ourselves. We got to make sure we keep our phone on, right? It's our phone bill. We got to make sure that you pay your light bill. There's things that you got to constantly take care of, right? So, in order for you to break the box, right, you have to keep giving to the asset. You have to keep learning this, bro. Because now you put yourself in a total different mindset shift. From hourly wages to every day we in the markets. And yes, some days the market will consolidate. It will have its downtrends to where it has to make a correction, and it has its bull runs. But you still in the market. You in the game. And now you have to teach yourself how to use, like I tell you all the time, bro, use the capital from your job and bring it to the markets. Not all of it, but some of it. Okay? Another reason why you cannot quit is because you never know what can happen. You never know what can happen in the next year, in the next 2 years, in the next 5 years, 10 years. You don't know. You have to have a commitment to something that is going to benefit you. The same way I make sure I'm committed to the gym. I make sure I'm committed to the Most High God, bro. Every day when I wake up, thank God. Thank you, God. I have my talks with God before I even start my day. You know? You make a commitment to yourself to, no matter what, I'm going to continuously put in the work to bring my goals to fruition. I'm going to continuously keep a positive mindset. It's easy for us people to think negative about something that we want because of conditioning or because you don't see it yet, because you're paying too much. Like, you got to pay attention with the 2 eyes, yes, but you also have an intuition. You also have it's your sixth sense that you have to stay tapped into. You also have to believe that the universe is going to bring it to you as long as you keep putting in the work, taking action, having faith in the unknown. Like, bro, it's power in that. When I make these videos, I don't know who's going to watch them. I don't know how many people we going to reach. I have faith in the unknown. I just put them out. That's it. Because I know that somebody needs the messages. I need the messages every day. That's also why I put them out. You know? But this is a long-term commitment to yourself. And you owe it to yourself. Because why not? And it's a learning journey. And it makes you see life differently. There's going to be some people out there that won't think that investing is important or that learning the skill of Forex trading is important. That's because they don't see the vision. But it's not their fault. Because we all have to recondition ourselves, bro. Like, we all have to reprogram our mind, bro. That's the deepest thing. That's the deepest inner work that you will ever do, is realizing, like keeping it 1,000 with yourself and realizing you were programmed in some way, shape, or form, subconsciously through somebody else's words, bro. In some way, shape, or form. Somebody told you that something wasn't possible. Somebody told you that something is too hard for them to do, and then you just took the word and said, okay, I'm not going to do it then. Since this person said it's too hard to do, or it's impossible, or people always lose money in the stock market, then I'm not going to try. This is a part of the reconditioning, reprogramming. I will try. I will give myself a chance. I will take the time out to learn this skill. I can do it. I will do it. I will enjoy the journey. And every day I will learn how to get better at this craft. No matter what. That's the type of energy you got to have. And that's the type of energy you got to stick to. Real talk. This is also going to teach you how to get stronger mentally, bro. Let's keep it real. Let's keep it all the way real. People have a fear of losing a trade or losing money, or it's a fear, right? But it's not real. Like, it's an illusion. You can't be afraid of something that you think is going to happen. You thinking you're going to get into the stock market and lose, that's automatically stopping you from thinking positive and saying, nah, we going to figure this out, and we going to learn, and we going to get better. Like, you have to learn how to be a believer in yourself and not be led by fear, bro. Be led by God. Be led by abundance. Be led by prosperity. Be led by that type of energy, bro. Positive energy. You can't control the stock market. You can't control the Forex market. You can't control price action. That's not in your control. What is in your control is you, your energy, your emotions, your optimism. You feel me? That's what's in control. Taking it one day at a time, bro. You got this. You could do it. You could do it, bro. You could do it. The reason why I know you could do it is because I'm doing it. And it's not on some egotistical stuff, bro. Like when people think that, oh, you, like, that's what people think. Listen, man. You can do it. You can do it, bro. Okay? You can become a profitable trader. You can become a profitable investor. You can learn this stuff, bro. I'm telling y'all. Y'all got this, bro. And if you need help, I have a Discord chat. It's free, right? And I'm going to keep it 1,000 with y'all. I'm going to continue to make ebooks. Why? Because, first of all, when I was younger, I always wanted to be a writer. I always wanted to create something, right? Now, as an adult, I'm like, got to put the work in. Got to do it. This is a craft that I have to get better at. And then I know that the books are going to help people. And it's going to keep helping myself. Real talk. Now, and I know we're very judgmental on this planet, bro. But don't be so quick to judge a book by its cover. That's one thing I will tell y'all, bro. That's one thing I extremely will tell y'all. Don't be so quick to judge a book by its cover. We all have an inner genius, no matter who you are. No matter what clothes you wear and all this extra stuff. Bro, it's about the internal at the end of the day. It's about the energy that's within you. Word. So I'm telling y'all that y'all can do it. Take this serious. Cut the BS out. And learn this stuff. Study the charts. Take it one day at a time. Alright? If you enjoyed the video, give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. And please leave your comments below. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the audio and the mic is good. And I'll be back at it with some more content for you. Alright? It's your boy Terrence Carter. Yes, sir.